Imagine this: you type just one sentence, hit a button, and within minutes, you have a complete, ready-to-publish video. No camera, no editing headaches. Just your idea, transformed into a full script, professional voiceover, and stunning visuals automatically. This isn't some far-off dream. That future is here. And the best part? You can try it for free. Whether you want to grow a faceless YouTube channel, start a side hustle, or finally share your ideas with the world, this tool gives you everything you need without ever showing your face. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and by the end of this video, you'll see why it could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. Here we are on the dashboard in the platform. This is called Invideo AI, which is different from the standard Invideo tool that you might have seen already. You can see this button right there that says, Create AI Video. Start from scratch. If you click on this, you open up this page. This is kind of like ChatGPT, where you have to give it a prompt in order to generate a result. Next up, you need to give the software a topic and detailed instructions for it to generate a video. So this is the part where we decide which video to make in today's video. I'm going to create a similar video like this: top 10 cheapest countries to live lavishly on $1,000 a month. This video is indeed monetized, and it has 7 million views on a channel, with 50 Kelvin subscribers, making this video an outlier. If I quickly played a video for you, what you'll see is that there's no crazy editing being done. It's a lot of B-roll with a voiceover, as well as sometimes some transitions and text up on the screen. If we take a look at this channel, you can see the whole channel is monetized, and with 150 videos, they got over 5,000 subscribers, as well as views up into the millions. In fact, this channel is getting 6 million views every single month without showing their face. And the best part, we can create very, very similar videos with the tool that I'm using today. So it's safe to assume that this channel right there is making at least $5,000 a month, potentially even up to 10 Kelvin. Let me now show you how we can generate videos like this. Whoever the two I'm showing you today, first of all, we need to give it a topic, since this video is about the top 10 cheapest countries to live lavishly on 1 Kelvin per month. The video that I want to make is the top 5 cheapest countries for digital nomads, which is very, very similar to that original video. So here's my prompt: top 5 cheapest countries to live the digital nomad lifestyle on $1,000 per month. Please create an in-depth informational video going over the 5 cheapest countries people can go to and live, which is 1 Kelvin per month, while working remotely right towards a viewer that's interested in finding out the best location so that they can live the digital lifestyle over there. What I can then do next up is select the workflow. So you can do this with shorts, explainer videos, or recent events videos. Because this is a listicle type of video, I'm going to go with YouTube explainer. Do note that this just came out, so there will be more workflows added very soon. Next up, you can choose the length of the video, create a blank YouTube video about. So I'm going to generate a 10-minute full video. The example video is about 13 minutes. So I want to make a similar length video. So I'm going to choose 10 minutes to do that. Then right there, you can give it more prompts, give me an engaging topic, and things we should talk about and not talk about. So I'll paste the same prompt as well as give it some additional information. Please be very clear and give valuable information per country, because the intention with these kind of videos is to make sure that the viewer can figure out which location is going to be the best for them. So in order for us to make the best video, we need to provide them with value. This is not specifically very entertaining or very crazy stuff, valuable content. Next up, you can give it some optional creative directions. For example, make this video your own by adding detailed creative thoughts and ideas like the tone, humor, etc. So I'm going to say start the video with the aim of informing the people what this video is about. Get straight to the point and bring the view. Already 5 cheapest countries to live the digital nomad life. What I'm going to say next up is, you may include one joke in the intro of the video. Let's see if it could actually do that. Next up, we can choose background music, for example, dark and hunting, upbeat, happy, etc. I'm going to make this upbeat as that really fits. Well, for these kind of videos, then you can choose the voiceover. So I'm going to go with a male voiceover. You can also choose female, and then you can choose an accent, clear American Californian, etc., etc. Indian English, young Indian, they have everything available. I'm just going to go with a clear American voice. Then next up, you can add your own watermark in case you would like. So for example, let's say my channel is called Digital Nomades. I can type that in, and that will be featured. Next up, choose iStock, normally, or any of the other options. In case you would prefer that, I'll just go with this, as it's best for me. Then I'm going to click Continue. Then we have all of our instructions right here. All I need to do now is click Generate a Video, and it's going to blast out a full video script voiceover and content. I'll show you the result in a bit. As soon as it's done, preparing a video, you can choose the following things. So for which audience is this video? Is it digital nomads budget, travelers, remote workers? So I'm going to stick to digital nomads. then the look and feel: minimalist, modern, bright, or professional. I'm going to go with bright, and then the platform is going to be YouTube. Then click continue, and here we go. It is now going to create our full video. And take a look at this. Within 2 minutes, this entire video was created. It is 9 minutes and 20 seconds long. It has all the footage. It has a voiceover. The script was generated. I have this entire video. I'll play what it looks like for you right now. Welcome to digital nomads and aspiring globetrotters. In this video, we'll unveil the 5 cheapest countries where you can live comfortably on just $1,000 a month. In the age of the internet, world has truly become our office. The rise of digital nomadism, where work is no longer tied to a physical location, has given us the freedom to roam the globe, laptop in hand. However, not all destinations are created equal. The cost of living, internet speed, safety, and lifestyle are all factors that can dramatically impact your digital nomad experience. Choosing the right country is as significant as choosing the right career. So whether you're a seasoned nomad or planning your first remote work, finding the right location can make all the difference. And hey, who said you can't enjoy a tropical sunset while answering emails? So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a budget-friendly journey around the world, okay? Now, what if you don't like any of the clips or something that was said in the script? Don't worry, you can change all of it. First of all, click Edit, and then you can click Added Media or Edit Script. If I want to change the opening scene, I'll click Edit Media. All of the scenes will then show up right here. So these are all of your scenes in your video. You can also click on the scene, and then that part of the script will get highlighted so that, when that is playing, in order for me to change the first scene, I can click on search right here, or I can upload my own files. So that is also possible. I will search for Bali. I can then scroll down and choose between millions of high-quality stock footage clips. For example, this looks absolutely stunning. If I didn't click replace, it will be shown up here. If I then click apply, we're just changing the intro scene. And here we go. That just worked within just a few seconds. You can change the clips if I now preview this, nomads and aspiring globetrotters. You will see that we have Bali in the background. Perfect. What about the script? Let's say you don't like what is being said. You can click on edit script. The entire script will show up right here, including chapters. That is something I really like. So this is the introduction. Then we've got the chapter in Vietnam. We've got chapter India, Ukraine, Bolivia conclusion, which is cool to see. So from here, you can simply type whatever it is that you would like to add or remove. For example, let's say I don't like this sentence. I'll then remove it. In the age of the internet, anything is possible. So we're now changing the script just like this. Click apply changes. And there you go. It is now doing that. Additionally, you can also edit with conversation. So instead of clicking on buttons, you can give it a prompt to change whatever. And it will also do that. When you click there, it's going to give you examples. However, what I'm going to do is change the voice over to a woman, change voice over to female generate, and there we go. It's changing the voice over to a female. And it's that change the voice to a new one. Let's preview it. Welcome digital nomads and aspiring globetrotters in this video. And there we go. It now is a female voice. Isn't that insane change? Current stock to a video drone shot of a forest. Click right there. Click generate. And it's doing that exact thing. So this is prompt to video, not text to video, prompt to video. Insane. Now, let's say that you're not happy with the current result. What can you do? There's this regenerate button. If you click on this, you can change these settings and regenerate the video. So for example, let's change the audience to remote workers, change the look and feel to professional, and then the platform will stick to YouTube, and then click continue. As you can see right now, it's going to regenerate another example of our current video with the same prompt. And there we go. Our new video just came back. This one is 10 minutes and 50 seconds long. And here's what it looks like first. On our list is Vietnam, a Southeast Asian gem. As you can see, pretty much the same. However, just a new version, different transitions, different clips. And this one looks pretty fantastic to me. I'm now happy with the result. I need to download the video. How do I do that? There's this export button right here, which allows you to export the video. You can also export project the timeline, but I'll get to that. In a bit, you can select the export resolution. I'm going to go with 1080p, no watermarks and no branding. You can get started with Invideo AI for free. However, if you're serious about video creation and you want to publish videos without a watermark, which I definitely recommend, that can actually perform well, you should upgrade to a pay plan, which starts as low as just $20 per month. I'll leave a link for you in the description down below to check that out. Now, what I like even more is this right here. If your video has been flagged for copyright on YouTube, copyright assistance. So any unlikely chance of that happening, they won't leave you alone. They actually have a button to help you out. So it is currently rendering our video. I'll show you the final result at the end of my video. What it has just generated without human interference is already insane. However, the good part, it only gets better from here. Nvidia is actually working on making it possible to fully edit and customize the videos. This is currently in beta, however. As soon as they've got some feedback from Nvidia AI as it is right now, they can start enabling that feature. So for full editing and full control of your video, you can use the timeline editor. And here we go. As you can see, my video is now downloading. If you then go back to your dashboard, the videos will indeed show up here as well, so that you'll never lose them in order to fully customize your video. Click on Export Project to Timeline, and then as you can see, a full video editor shows up. So you've got all the overlays, all of your clips, text, audio, etc. So the full version of the custom editor will be released very soon, which means that with one single prompt, you can now generate a full video that is already done for you, which you can even customize to make it perfect within a matter of minutes. This is revolutionizing the faceless YouTube industry by storm. Now what is great as well is, let's say you get stuck anywhere in the process, or you need help with the video. There's actually a 20247 live chat support team, which can help you out at all times. You may also check out Nvidia's YouTube channel for more videos about how you can use this AI video generator. I'll leave a link to them in the description down below. And with that being said, I'll leave my link to Nvidia AI down below. And with that being said, here's the final result, generated third on our list. We're off to sunny Mexico. Imagine living comfortably amid stunning beaches, historical gems, and warm, welcoming locals. Mexico offers an affordable lifestyle that doesn't skimp on quality or charm. It's a haven for digital nomads. And there you have it, a full, professional quality video created from a single prompt, ready for YouTube in minutes. What used to take days or even weeks can now be done before your coffee gets cold. This isn't just a tool, it's a new era for content creators, digital entrepreneurs, and anyone who's ever had an idea but lacked the time, skills, or resources to bring it to life. I'll leave my link to Invideo AI in the description below so you can try it for yourself. Who knows? Your next viral video could be just one sentence away. Now, let's roll the final result so you can see exactly what this AI created. No human edits, no retakes, just pure innovation in action.